An analytical review of Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken. Theme of Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken, deals with the dilemma or confusion a man faces when he has multiple choices available to him before taking a crucial decision. He may be interested in more than one option, but he has to opt just for one. He cannot foresee the impact of his choice. If the choice made by him gives a dissatisfactory result, he has to bear the consequences because steps taken once in life cannot be retraced. Message of Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken. Robert Frost's poem, The Road Not Taken, conveys the message that the choices we make have a deep impact on our life. Whether we are a success or a failure depends on our choices. In the title, The Road Not Taken, the road is the symbol of the choice made by us in life. Sometimes the choice we made doesn't give us a good result. Then we feel regretful, thinking that our life would have been much better if we had made another choice. Man is always dissatisfied with the achievements in his life and feels that his life would have been happier and more successful if he had chosen a different way of life. Literary devices in the poem The Road Not Taken. First of all, let's discuss symbolism. Symbolism means hidden or implied meaning. The two roads symbolize the choices or options we have in life, and the grassy path represents the risky or challenging way of life. The beaten track represents a very comfortable and certain way of life, which is taken by most of the people. The poet's choice of grassy path symbolizes man's desire for adventures in life. Then the next literary device is alliteration. Alliteration is the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. There is only one example of alliteration in the poem, that is in the second stanza, third line, wanted where vowel sound is repeated. Literary devices discussion continued. Now let's discuss with the next literary device, that is personification. Personification is when non-human things act like human beings. Now in this poem, The Road Not Taken, in the third line, second stanza, third line, we have a line because it was grassy and wanted where. That means the second road has been personified as it wanted something from others. Okay. Then the next literary device is metaphor. What is a metaphor? A metaphor is a word or a phrase for one thing that is used to refer to another thing in order to suggest that they are similar. Sometimes there is an indirect comparison between two things. We have to find out what does that one thing stand for. Okay, so let's discuss the metaphor in the poem The Road Not Taken. Two roads metaphorically represent the choices we make to determine the course of life. Yellow woods are the metaphor of hard times in a person's life. Let's come to rhyme scheme now. The ordered pattern of rhyming words at the end of the lines of a poem or a verse, always indicated with small letters, is rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of The Road Not Taken is AB, AAB. Thank you.